Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, next we'll be calling on Gogo Grace, our big auntie, our big mama, distinguished Senator Grace Folashade Bent. Please let's make some noise for her. She's coming out to give us some goodwill message.
All right, it's just a little reminder, it's just for 2 minutes for each of the goodwill messages, just 2 minutes.
Gogo Grace.
Good afternoon, distinguished leaders, our mothers here, the great Nigerian women, great Nigerian women. We are indeed great. Why are we so quiet? I'm proud to be a great Nigerian woman. I'm just going to give a very brief goodwill message. As a true Nigerian, as a patriot, by the grace of God, I stand before you today. Inyom Joseph Aneni, who I have had the privilege of working with while I was a political advisor to the People's Democratic Party in 2002 or thereabout. A very, I keep saying it over and over again, an incurable woman with great passion for women. Josephine Aneni, during our time, our tenure, we both worked together, and that was when we achieved the policy of free nomination form for women going into elective offices. And it is on record today, and we've not stopped there. The theme of today's conference is driving transformation through value reorientation. How can we drive through transformation outside of the input of the women? I'm a true Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian with a tripartite citizenship. And I'm proud to say that. I was born and raised in Kaduna. By all standards, I'm entitled to the rights and privileges of a Kaduna State indigene. If you want to talk about what the Nigerian Constitution talks about, what is indigenship, what is naturalization, your place of natural birth. I was born in Kaduna. I was raised in Kaduna. I'm married in Kaduna. And tomorrow, someone tells me, you are not from this state. Go to your state. My parents are from Osun State. By virtue of my parents being from Osun State, I am a privileged daughter of Osun State. I am married to a very great man from Adamawa State of the Bachama extraction. I was married and fully integrated into that society. And by God's own divine arrangement, I became the first female senator by marital affiliation in the northern part of Nigeria. What am I saying? It is possible for Nigeria to be great. When you ignore the women, you do that at your peril. I say it is now time for the men to begin to dance for us. We have danced enough for the women, for the men at our campaign rallies. We tie our gele and we dance for them. Our men here, I'm pleading with you. Can you please dance for us for once? Dance for us for once and bring out the best in us. A woman is like a tea bag. You cannot know the strength of that woman until you put hot water in it. You see how rich that tea is. Nigerian women, this is time for us. The men, the real men, please dance for us. I want to thank our men who have stood here. I can see Dino, my very dear, extremely close confidant. Ala-Igbo himself, Chief Osita, and every other man here, you are the real men. Keep it up. Continue to stand by us. We are going to present the first female Nigerian president in this country. By the grace of God. It will happen in our lifetime. We will teach America how to make women the bosses. God bless you all.
Thank you very, very much. In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Changing Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together no matter the road.